All right, so at this point in class, you've introduced yourself with a video and you've done chapter 1, which talks a little bit about how communication might be applied to future careers or your future in general. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start really making you think with this upcoming assignment on qualitative and quantitative research. So you're going to take a quiz that's going to help you understand what this means. You're then going to watch a video from one of my colleagues. It's about 15 minutes. It cuts off very abruptly at the end, so don't think you did something wrong. It's just the way the video is created. It cuts off. But she does a great job explaining the difference between qualitative and quantitative research. And then what I'm going to challenge you to do is to figure out for yourself how might you go about studying in these two different formats. So the first thing you need to do is you need to come up with a very specific question that you can study. I don't want you turning in something that's general, like I'm going to look at all of nonverbal communication. That's impossible. You're going to learn later in class there's so much variation between nonverbal communication. You need to pick something specific within that if that's what you're going to choose to study. The second thing that you need to do to be successful is you need to be original. This is where I start seeing students go to the internet for answers and then copy and paste something that they've seen. And what happens then is when a bunch of students copy and paste the same thing, then I know where it all came from. So I need you to be original. All right, don't copy and paste stuff from the internet at all for the next 6 weeks because that gets you in trouble. So use your own mind, think specifically, how can communication relate to your life? What's something that you might want to study? And then tell me and explain to me how you might study that in 2 ways. Now, that will take time to understand and get through, so give yourself the time to do that. From there, you're then going to post it on the discussion board so that your classmates can see this specific and this creative thing that you came up with to study, and they can be inspired by what it is that you're choosing to look at. So you're going to put that on the discussion board after you submit it to me so that everyone else can see it as well. So I wanted to wish you good luck on that assignment and just give you a quick overview of where it is we're moving forward. This is where class starts getting a little bit more challenging. We have to really start thinking through assignments. So just give yourself that time and space to do that. And then moving forward, next week, we'll start to talk about verbal and nonverbal communication. And you'll see me post that module as soon as I can. All right. I hope all of you do well on this assignment. And as always, if you have questions, please reach out.